Next, the 2025 NBA champion San Antonio
Putang.
Spurs.
Drafting Bronny James this season.
Forget LeBron.
Young,
Forget
we're waiting
LeBron.
for you.
Sige, alam mo, manahimik
Next season,
tayo.
Trae Young.
Manahimik tayo dito. Byron
I'll,
Ledge,
I'll
take
I'll
the
talk
floor.
after them, bro. I'll talk after them, bro.
Take the floor, Spurs fans.
Makakailang points per game si Trae Young, like, saka assists. Hindi ko 25 and 20 si Trae. Tapos si Wemby 30 and 20 and 10. 30 points, 20 rebounds, and blocks.
7 assists pa. 7 assists.
Putang ng dalawang
5
to.
steals, no?
Putang ng dalawang to.
The first ever 5x5 average in the history of the NBA.
5x5 average.
De, joke lang. Oy, nakunod.
Sige.
Baka ma-jigs ko eh.
Sige. So,
Anyways.
Ano ang gagawin nila?
Anong gagawin nila Spurs fans?
This one. As usual, every single season. Di ba? Ano pa ba? Pwede lang i-trade si Keldon. Pwede rin ako ulit si Lebron.
Bro, ikaw Byron, tama na si Ledge, tangina niya.
Oo nga, puro scenario yung pinagsasabi
Point
nito sila.
guard na talaga, point guard. Hindi ako fan of Trae Young though. Not a fan of Trae Young going to the Spurs.
So, who would be your perfect point guard to pair with them?
Realistically.
Draft.
Kung hindi pa rin manalo ng isang series ang Cleveland, I'd go for Darius Garland.
Alis si Darius?
If they lose another first round, gagawin pa sila doon? Donovan's likely to leave.
Yeah.
Bro,
Donovan is projected to go to the Knicks.
Yeah.
Baka mag-stay si Garland do kung ganun yung scenario.
Pag umalis si Donovan, hindi more minutes for him. More touches
for him. Pero
him.
walang masama pinapakita ni Garland.
Hindi naman
sila nag-give
to get traded.
For who? That's why, kaya nga realistically, for who?
First have like 10 first round picks in the next 4 years.
So picks. Just picks. You're not letting go of
players.
Wants
to get killed.
Trade Sohan, bro. Trade Sohan.
Why do you want Sohan on the team, Ledge?
Yeah, dude. Why do you like Sohan?
Ito naman sinabing...
No, because if I were to get rid of one player on the team,
it would be him.
It wouldn't be Keldon. It would be Sohan.
Hindi. By sino most likely to get traded? Mas gusto ko si Keldon Pero who's most likely to get traded? Sohan or Keldon?
I-trade Sohan.
Hindi mo titrade si Sohan. Even though na di ko rin siya gusto, iba yung role kasi niya na pinapaano. And the fact na in-experiment na siya, di ba?
So anong role ni Keldon?
You're the only person I know who does not wanna trade Jeremy Sohan.
Well, Sohan.
I mean, pwede naman. Pero hindi naman sa hindi ko gusto siya matrade. It's like, realistically, hindi i-trade ng Spurs si Sohan.